Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Seat Work Explanation. Today is day 140. Please take out your seat work for today as I go over it. Today for handwriting, you're going to be working on page 144. You are going to be writing the words in cherry. Please make sure you use your neatest and straightest handwriting and that you form the letters the right way. Let's take a look at our math paper for today. We're on page 140. Let's take a look at section 1. Section 1 says match the temperature with the weather conditions. You're going to look at the temperature and the pictures, and you're going to match. Think about, it's 74 degrees. What should the people be doing? What should they be wearing in 74 degrees? And 28 degrees and 58 degrees. Now section 2, match. You are going to match the cents and the amount of money on this side. For example, 90 cents. 90 cents. So you'll draw a line to show what shows 90 cents. Is it 3/4, 2 half dollars, 10 nickels, or 9 dimes? Take a look at section 3. Write the sums and differences. Remember here you're adding and subtracting 3 two-digit numbers, and down here 2 two-digit numbers. In the last 2 you'll be carrying to the tens column. Let's take a look at on the back. Section 1 says write backward by tens from 100 to 10. You're going to start at 100 and you're counting backwards. Let's take a look at section 2. The directions for section 2 says listen as your teacher reads the story problems. Mark the circle under the fact that is not needed. You're looking for the information that is not needed for the story. Listen carefully. 6 bees and 3 flies were buzzing around a lemon tree. 3 more bees came to join them. How many bees were there altogether? Mark the space under the fact that is not needed. I'm going to read it again. 6 bees and 3 flies were buzzing around a lemon tree. 3 more bees came to join them. How many bees were there altogether? Mark the space under the fact that is not needed. Let's take a look at B. The family was playing miniature golf. Mom made 4 holes in one. Dad made 6 holes in one. And Alex made 2 holes in one. How many more holes in one did Dad make than Alex? Mark the space under the fact that is not needed. I'm going to read it again. The family was playing miniature golf. Mom made 4 holes in one. Dad made 6 holes in one. And Alex made 2 holes in one. How many more holes in one did Dad make than Alex? Mark the space under the fact that is not needed. All right, let's take a look at section 3. The direction says set the minute hands to the times your teacher says. Listen carefully. For A, set your time to 4:30. 4:30. B, set your time to 5:15. 5:15. C, set your time to 6:05. 6:05. And D, set your time to 10:50. 10:50. All right, take a look at section 4. Mark the circle under the fact that does not belong. You're going to look at section A. You're going to see which fact does not belong. Remember, there should be 2 addition and actually, never mind. And then you'll do the next same thing for section B. You'll look very carefully to see which fact does not belong. All right, let's take a look at our next paper. This is our letters and sound, page 140. Take a look at section 1. Section 1 says circle the special sounds. You got in pure and sure in pasture. Circle all the special sounds you see. Section 2 says double the final consonants, add a suffix. So here's some suffix: ing in pointing, ed in wanted, t in looked, and d in played, n in sharpen, in bigger. Make sure those suffixes make a new word with the root word. Take a look at page 140 for letters and sound. You have a picture. It says read each question, mark the circle under the correct answer. So section 1 says, what are the raccoons doing? Popping, pushing, playing. Looking at the picture, you should be able to answer the questions. All right, boys and girls, that is our time for seat work today.